Most of you had some trouble with 3, so let's talk about 3 first. Actually, let's just go over number 1 real quick. So this, for parallelograms, you have 2 sides that are parallel, right? Opposite sides are parallel. That means that opposite angles are going to be equal, and that comes all the way back to the parallel line rules that we did in the first semester. So that means that L is 119, right? Opposite angles are equal, and then opposite sides are equal. So if that side, LM, is 45, then that means that this side is 45. Okay, if this side is 31, then this side is 31. And if you're wondering how to find this missing angle K, it turns out that the same side, angles on the same side, are supplements. Okay, so I would simply take 180. Supplements means that they add to 180. So take 180 and subtract out 119. So that should be 61, right? So this angle K is 61. And again, opposite angles are equal, so K and M must be equal. So M is going to be 61. You with me so far? Okay. All right. Let's go through number 3. Let me show you number 3. I am going to do it a little quick because I don't want to belabor it too much. So 106, Q is 106, right? That's the entire angle. When it says, this is really important, you know the notation. If it says PQR, that's this entire angle right here, right? Okay, so that's 106, and it tells you down here that this smaller angle, QSR, is 49. So the reason that's important is because opposite angles are equal. So 106, this larger angle, it must be that PSR, this larger angle down here, that has to be 106 as well. So if that has to be 106, then I can take, for this angle right here, I would take 106 and subtract out 49. Right? I'd take 106, subtract out 49. That would be what's left over for this angle here. Right? This one right here. 106 minus 49. So 106 minus 49 is? Anybody? 106 minus 49 is? 57. Awesome, 57. So this is 57. So look, if this is 57, right? If this is 57 right here, then that means that this must be 57 over here. Opposite angles are equal. So if this is 57, this angle right here must be 57. So right here, that's 57. If this is 49 right here, then this must be 49 over there. Opposite angles are equal. So this is 49. Is it lagging on me? Yep, lagging on me. Okay, this is 49 right here. Let me pause that. Come on, baby.